Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our Opulence Global Tour. Happy Monday to each and everyone. Welcome to all of our partners and most especially to our valued guest for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and for taking time to see this presentation. We're going to make sure that your time will be worthwhile as we will be sharing with you some important information when it comes how you can improve your life, no? With Opulence Global. And you know, Opulence is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. And we're here to give you some solutions, no, especially in these challenging times. Okay? So simulan na ho natin yung ating talakayan. And by the way, for those of you joining us here from other parts of the world, ayan, pardon us, no, because we'll be sharing this in Taglish. And of course, we also have our presentations done in English, no, in other parts of the world. So again, no, tune in po sa atin pong mga Opulence stores. Ayan. So let's get started. And of course, no, what we're going to share with you is sino ho ba dito ang gustong magkaroon ng maganda, engranding bakasyon, exotic adventures. Ayan, sino ho dito ang gustong mag-improve ang kanilang katayuan sa kanilang buhay, lalong-lalo sa financial aspect, no? And of course, healthy living. Sino ho bang may gusto na mas maging malusog? Prestigious lifestyle. And what if you can have it all? No? Kasi dito ho sa Opulence Global, yan ho yung ating pag-uusapan, yan ho yung ating tatalakayin ngayong gawing ito. And of course, as I've shared with you, no, we are a proudly Canadian international company established in 2005. So basically, we are already more than 19 years. We're going on our 20th year next year. We're celebrating our 20th anniversary dyan sa Dubai sa lahat ng ating mga partners dyan, ha? Make sure that you that you come with us in our celebration in Dubai. And of course, no, we are sharing our products no in more than 200 countries and territories. Yan ho yung lawak ng ating pagdi-distribute all around the globe. And we are an accredited member ng Better Business Bureau. Yan ho yung nagko-confirm ng legitimacy ng company. No? So pag napabilang ka dyan sa BBB, ibig sabihin katiwa-tiwala ho yung company na yan. Hindi ho basta-basta. Nakuha pa natin yung pinakamataas na A+ rating. And we are the top 100 solid company since 2010. Narangko tayo ng businessforhome.org. So we have basically a proven track record when it comes to how we do business, not just in some parts of the world, but all around the globe. Yan ho yung kagandahan with Opulence Global. And the good thing is we are being led by our, of course, founder and CEO, Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. Napakahalaga ho ng leadership in every business venture. Ha? Kailangan yung namumuno at nagli-lead ho sa atin, may alam, di ba? Meron ho siyang malawak na karanasan. Imagine niyo ha, at the age of 25, naging self-made millionaire na ho siya. Marami na ho siyang natulungan ng mga tao na mag-improve din yung kanilang katayuan ng buhay. Ano? And on top of that, he was able to build 5 multi-million-dollar businesses. Featured in American Business Journal, top 2 compensation plan expert, network marketing hall of famer, inductee, and author ho siya ng Forensic Networker, which is the direct sales most advanced training system. And mind you, ha, he has the mindset of a champion. Kaya ho, meron ho itong 112 medals as a Canadian wrestling champion. So talagang makikita ho natin yung kanyang DNA ng pagiging champion, pagiging winner. Kaya nakakatuwa ho na we are being led no by someone who has experience, massive experience in building and helping people improve their lives. Okay? So on top of that, ang divisions ho natin, no, actually we have a wide array of products that we offer to the market. Meron ho tayong fashion, no, such as the one that I'm wearing right now. Yan, yung mga fashion items natin from mga bags, shoes, belts. Ito ho yung mga want products, no. So hindi lang ho tayo mga need products. We also have want products which is fashion, and a trillion-dollar industry ho yan. We also have our personal care and wellness, no? So nandiyan ho yung ating health, mga pang-beauty. So we have a wide array of products that we share with our customers all around the world. And on top of that, no, meron din ho tayong division under cryptocurrency. And this is one thing na nilaunch ho natin just recently. And kumbaga looking into the future, ito na ho yung paghahanda ho natin dito sa Opulence Global. Now, on top of that, no, just a little bit of a background, we started way back in 2005 with the fashion items. And yung ating Ferry Designer House, no, na andun ho sa Canada, it's the largest Canadian private fashion house. And our products, particularly in fashion, are designed, no, from our Toronto and European design centers. It's even worn by over 350 celebrity clients all around the world. So ibig sabihin, hindi ho basta-basta yung kalidad ng ating mga produkto, lalong-lalo na sa fashion. And yun yung ginawa nating fashion show, no, yung Ferry on the Runway was the biggest fashion show in Canada by a single designer. So ganyan ho ka-prestigious, ganyan ho kaganda. And na-feature pa nga ho tayo sa mga prestigious shows such as the Fox 5, the View International Emmy Awards, pati yung Toronto International Film Festival, and of course the Golden Globe Awards. Now just to give you a little bit of an overview kung gaano ho kaganda itong ating mga fashion items, I will just like to play this video with you, and together let's watch this. Of course, we have this exclusive jewelry. Taga naman pong mga ano yan, mga carefully designed. Okay? Carefully crafted. Ating jewelry. Meron dito tayo mga 9 pieces. Tulad dito na ating sensor, no? Magang, mga pouches. Yan. And also our footwear. Ako talagang handcrafted po yan, no? Again, hindi basta-basta yung mga quality ng yan. And this is actually one of the ginawa ho natin Ferry on the Runway. Luxury. Sabi o, mga top designers din mo yung patensya, no? Monogram collection. Yan. Now, these are all products, no, ng ating online shop, Opulence Global. At pati yung mga belts. Yan, we also have that as well. Yan, pati yung mga accessories ho na yan. Yan, included ho yan sa ating online shop. You can actually visit www.opulence.com if you want to see all of these amazing fashion items. And that is our brand actually, our Posh. Ito yung ating mga more affordable product line when it comes to fashion. The Posh items. Yan naman yung ating Ferry, ating mga premium products. And yan ho yung aming tagline, no? Get paid to wear. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. And we started with this line of products, and since then, we have grown into a multi-million-dollar company. And on top of that, meron din ho tayong mga neat products. Ito ho yung tinatawag ho naming advocacy namin. We call this the Safe Home Revolution products. Ayan. Safe Home Revolution because, of course, by the term itself, ligtas na tahanan. Nais ho nating pangalagaan ng kalusugan nyo at kalusugan ng pamilya nyo because sabi nga natin, health is wealth. So we have highly consumable daily essentials ranging from skincare, personal care, oral care, and even pati sa health and wellness, which is very, very important. And our product line actually includes 2 proprietary ingredients. Ito ho yung very unique when it comes to the ingredients that we produce, especially itong ating microsilver and the Norwegian Spruce 3 Extra. So basically, we have a wide array of products starting off from beauty. Siyempre, lahat tayo gusto natin, mas bata yung itsura, mas maganda yung itsura natin. We also have the microsilver protection. Yan, nandyan ho yung ating lotion, yung ating microsilver spray, pati yung mouthwash, mouth spray, and of course, our amazing Ferry Microsilver Toothpaste Protection. At meron din ho tayong personal care. Yan ho yung ating 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, plus conditioner na talaga naman hindi basta-basta yan panlinis ng ating katawan, but it also nourishes us with active ingredients na mahalaga ho para sa proteksyon ng ating kalusugan. And on top of that, the health and wellness, of course, our very popular Fountain of Life and our recently launched na ating Divine. Ayan. So all of our products, by the way, are manufactured ho yan sa Canada. It is a GMP certified facility, vegan, not tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free, And some of our selected products are even tested by dermatologists. And it is proven to cleanse yung mga microbes na yan and protects us against the damaging effects ng mga free radicals. Of course, starting off with our microsilver product line, ito hong microsilver is a premium ingredient, premium technology na ang ginagawa ho niyan, meron siyang long-lasting protection against mga bacteria, microbes, germs, and even mga viruses. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. Anti-odor ho din ho siya. And it is backed up by 80 plus patents. So talaga ito, masusi ho itong pinag-aralan, and this has been truly phenomenal. It has helped a lot of people when it comes to, of course, protecting themselves from these microbes and germs na, of course, alam naman ho natin that cause a lot of different types of illnesses and diseases. Now, on top of that, no, we have our flagship product. Ito ho yung ating Fountain of Life. Ito hong ating Fountain of Life, over 1 million bottles sold, and it has helped a lot of people in different parts of the world. Ito ho yung isa sa mga phenomenal products that we introduced sometime in 2018, no? And this product really helped a lot of people. It's basically a high performance antioxidant, the highest level of antioxidant that I have seen so far in the market. And this has produced a lot of tremendous results, hindi lang ho dito sa Pilipinas, but in a lot of countries all around the world. Different people, different testimonials, and this basically what ito hong ginagawa nito is nilalabanan ho niya yung free radicals eh. Yun ho yung maganda dyan. At yung free radicals ho na yan ho yung nagiging sanhi ng iba't ibang klaseng mga sakit. At pag kayo nag-take ho ng 10 patak lang nitong ating Fountain of Life, yung level of antioxidants na makukuha nyo ho dyan, katumbas sa 1,800 cups of apples. Imagine niyo yun. Ganun ho ka-powerful, ganun ho ka-phenomenal itong ating Fountain of Life. And of course, ano ho ba yung mabe-benefit natin from taking this FOL? Napakarami ho. Naandyan ho yung pagprotekta sa ating heart health. Alam naman ho natin, yan ho yung isa sa mga nakakatakot na sakit ngayon. Ano? Sakit na walang sintomas, bigla na lang umaatake yung mga sakit sa puso. And do you know that when you take these lignans every day, according to research, it can lessen the risk of heart disease by as much as 65%. Imagine that. So lagi ako nagte-take niyan. And more than that, it lowers chronic inflammation, it defends against dementia, protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk. It improves hair health. So pwede nyo palang i-apply yan topically, hindi lang sublingual ha, pati ho topical pwede ho yan. It improves sugar metabolism and control diabetes complications. It protects your DNA. Napakahalaga ho niyan para sa cancer prevention ha, yung pagprotekta ho sa ating DNA. And it also improves metabolism. It helps you achieve lower body weight, and it also helps reduce hot flashes. And these are just some of the amazing, many testimonials that we have. If you want to learn more about this product, you can go visit our Facebook page, Fountain of Life-Official, and you'll be seeing tons and tons and tons. Napakaraming testimonials of different people in different parts of the world. But more than that, meron pa ho tayong recently launched. Ito ho yung isa sa mga we're very excited about. Ito hong ating Divine, which is a supplement that supports your immune system. It fights against damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. And ang maganda ho dito, loaded ho yan ng mga active ingredients such as maritime pine bark extract, zinc, glutathione, vitamin C, grapeseed extract, and vitamin D. Now, these are some of the ingredients that you can buy separately in health shops. But ang maganda ho dito, the combination of all of these powerful active ingredients, they work together synergistically and of course together with the Fountain of Life, giving you the nourishment and protection na kailangan ho ng ating katawan araw-araw. Okay? So these are top of the line, top caliber products, natural, vegan, made in Canada, gluten-free, and GMO-free. So if you want to learn more about these products, you can ask your questions later, or you can ask the person who invited you here para mabigyan ho kayo ng mga materials that you can browse and you can study when it comes to these products. On top of that, ano ho ba yung mga benefits nito? It helps to maintain and regulate the immune system. Napakahalaga ho niyan. Kasi ang ating katawan, may kakayanan ho yan magpagaling ng sarili niya. May kakayanan ho yan labanan yung mga sakit-sakit na yan. And with all of these ingredients, tinutulungan niya ho na mapalakas at maproteksyonan yung ating immune system. On top of that, it supports liver and cell detoxification. It promotes gut health. Napakahalaga ho niyan. It supports respiratory function. Kaya ho dito yung mga may asthma, naku, maganda ho ito para sa inyo, no? It also aids in vision maintenance. May mga testimonials ho tayo dito na nag-improve yung kanilang eyesight, no? It promotes diabetic health, yan, lalong-lalo na sa mga may diabetes. It also improves absorption of other antioxidants. So lalong-lalo na in combination with the Fountain of Life, lalo niyang ini-enhance no, yung pag-absorb yung mga high-performance antioxidants na yan. It supports collagen formation, improves erectile dysfunction, ha? So sa mga kalalakihan, ako, napakalaking market ho niyan. Marami hong nagkakaroon ng problema when it comes to that. It also boosts brain function and memory, improves the skin, and again, it benefits heart health. So again, all of these, some of the benefits that you can get from taking this amazing product known as the Divine. Kaka-launch lang ho niyan. May mga pre-orders ho tayo niyan. So make sure that you try and use these products. And have I mentioned, no, lalong-lalo na yung ating Fountain of Life, we cover a 90-day money-back guarantee. Yan ho yung ating satisfaction guarantee na ipinapagkaloob natin sa ating mga customers. Now, another issue that I would like to discuss with you. How many of you or people that you know and naapektuhan ho ng kawalan ng trabaho? Nako, parami ho ng parami niyan, no? Especially itong nakikita niyo sa lower screen, yung AI. Yan ho yung dahilan kung bakit parami daw ho ng parami ng mga tao, milyon-milyon, sabi ng mga experts, ang maaring mawala ng kabuhayan because of the onset of AI. Ano pang nagiging problema natin? Inflation. Nako, yung inflation, yung pagbaba ng halaga ng pera. Pero yung presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin, patuloy hong tumataas. Nangyayari na ho yan ngayon. Kaya yung 1,000 mo noon, na nakakabili ka pa ng bag, ng maraming bag, no, pagpunta ka sa grocery, ngayon karampot na lang. Kasi mababa na yung halaga ng pera, 'di ba? Kaya pataas ang pataas yung presyo ng bilihin, hindi na nakakaipon yung mga tao, nalulubog pa sa utang. Okay? And of course, pag may mga nangyayaring sakuna, katulad ng mga natural disasters, health outbreak, and lockdowns, ito ho yung mga bagay na hindi natin kaya kontrolin na again, pag nangyari ho yan, nakaka-apekto sa ating pang-araw-araw na kabuhayan. Okay? And on top of that, no, the way we live has significantly changed. Marami na hong pagbabago, especially nung panahon ng pandemya. Dumating ho yung tinatawag nating stay-at-home economy. Karamihan ho ng mga trabaho, anong nangyari? Nag-resort ho sa online. Diyan ho nag-boom yung online market, ano? Pati yung mga ino-order natin, mga pagkain, mga shopping natin, yung mga binibili nating mga damit, ngayon online na eh. Napaka-convenient na. Pati nga yung entertainment eh. 'Di ba? Netflix, ayan, yung mga HBO Go, Disney, yan. So ngayon, available na ho siya online. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas pa para manood ng mga entertainment na yan. And even communication, just like what we are doing right now, dyan ho nag-boom ngayon yung Zoom, no? Yung mga online calls. So ito ho yung nangyayari na ho ngayon. Nearly 39% of all Americans report having a side job dahil hindi na nga ho enough yung kinikita ng mga tao ngayon, kailangan na ho nila ng part-time. Okay? Including 43% of full-time workers, ngayon nagkakaroon na ho ng side hustle, side job. So these are the realities that we are facing today. Now, ito ho yung solution ho namin so that we can cope up and provide solutions, no, particularly with all of these challenges that we're experiencing right now. So marami ho mga tao nagre-resort ngayon sa mga negosyo, entrepreneurship. Sabi nila, gusto ko mag-set up ng tindahan, ng online shop. In the northern in the western community, tawag nila diyan brick and mortar malls, no? Kaya lang ang problema lang ho sa brick and mortar malls, ito ho yung mga physical stores, mahal ho mag-set up niya, napakalaki yung kapital ang kailangan nyo. Tapos hindi lang ho yan one time na investment, kailangan every month meron kang pang operational expenses. Tsaka ang mahirap ho dyan, kailangan mo rin ng large inventory and staffing. So yung produkto, kailangan marami ka, di ba? May pang-invest ka dyan, may pang-capital ka dyan, may warehouse ka. Pangalawa, meron kang dapat pang-sweldo every month sa mga empleyado mo. Ite-train mo pa yon. And retail stores are dependent on local economy and are slow to expand. Yan ho yung mahirap eh. Kapag gusto mong mag-expand, mag-set up ng panibagong branch, panibagong capitalization na naman yon, panibagong pag-hire na naman ng mga tauhan yon. So as you expand, lalong lumalaki yung inyong capital expenditures, pero mas mahirap po dyan, mas lalong lumalaki yung stress po natin. Kasi ima-manage mo lahat yon. Kaya ho sa panahon ngayon, e-mall makes sense. You know why is that? Unang-una, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital. Okay? Kasi yung hindi mo na kailangan ng tindahan, hindi mo na kailangan ng taong susweldohan, turnkey business ho siya. Ibig sabihin ho niyan, agad-agad, pwede nyong i-set up. Start in minutes. And you can expand globally in minutes. Ang kagandahan ho dito sa aming e-mall, pag binuksan nyo ho yan ngayon, kahit saang parte ng mundo, pwede ka nang mag-promote, mag-share, mag-market ng mga produkto mo. And by doing that, no, marami hong mga benefits yan. You can benefit from wholesale, retail, crypto web marketplace. So hindi lang ho isang stream of income ang pinoprovide ho nitong ating e-mall. Tapos, miski wala kang alam, meron ho tayong ongoing training and support. So, continuous education, nang sa ganon, ay mabigyan ho kayo ng mga impormasyon kung paano nyo ho palalakihin ang inyong negosyo. And of course, it's tax-free. Ano yung maganda dyan? Inflation-free and bulk shopping. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng malaking inventaryo para magsimula dito sa negosyong ito. Kasi lahat na ho ng mga produkto na minention ko kanina, nakaload na ho yan dun sa inyong online shop. Okay? Kaya ho ready-made business na ho siya. At ang maganda ho doon, worldwide sales. Hindi ka limitado doon sa lugar mo lang, sa market mo lang, but in more than 200 countries and territories, you can promote and market your products. With, of course, our drop shopping facility. Yun yung maganda dyan. And by doing this business, imagine more than 13 revenue streams. At ang maganda ho dyan, residual income. Ito ho yung pagdating ng panahon, alam nyo ho yun, yung negosyo nyo patuloy na tumatakbo miski nagbabakasyon ka, miski natutulog ka kasi may sistema ho tayo dito wherein you can generate passive and residual income. And imagine a business na kahit saan pwede mo gawin. Unconfiscatable and transferable business. Yan ho yung nagustuhan ko Pwede mong ipamana sa susunod na henerasyon. Yung negosyong na-establish mo ngayon, pwede hong ma-enjoy ng mga anak ninyo, pwede hong ma-enjoy ng mga apo ninyo. Yan ho yung legacy na pwede nyo hong iwanan sa mga susunod na henerasyon. At ang maganda lang ho dyan is kailangan makikipag-partner ka dun sa sigurado at matibay na kumpanya. Okay? Wag ho kayong basta-basta makikipartner dun sa hindi nyo pa kabisado, wala pang track record. Kasi ito hong company, napakahalaga ho ng papel niya sa pang-araw-araw ho natin ginagawa sa ating negosyo. And imagine, yung ating hong company, siya na ho yung bahala sa pagmamanage ng inventaryo nyo. Siya na ho bahala sa pagtatransact kung paano nyo magpe-payment yung mga customers ho ninyo. Pati yung shipping Hindi nyo na po problemahin yan. Hindi na magiging part ng stress nyo yan. Even guarantees and returns, pinoprovide ho ng company yan. Website maintenance. Pag ho kayo ang mag-iintindi niyan, lalong sasakit ho yung ulo nyo kasi napakarami hong intindihin yan. Okay? Yung website maintenance na lang, training and support, no? Pati yung mga team building events, conferences and conventions, ito ho ay pinoprovide na ng ating company. Yan ho yung magandang partnership, hindi mo mag-isa gagawin yung business. Meron kang katuwang at sistema para mapalaki ka agad yung negosyo mo. Now, as an e-mall operator, yan ho yung ating mga partners dito. No? Ang ginagawa ho niyan is yung tinatawag ho nating cost transition. Ano ho yung cost transition? The first thing that you need to do in your business is to be a product of your own product. Imbis na bumili ka sa labas, doon ka bumili sa online shop mo. Kailangan mo ng shampoo, kailangan mo ng toothpaste, kailangan mo ng pangkalusugan, kailangan mo ng pang fashion items, tangkilikin mo muna yung sarili mong produkto. Yan ho yung tinatawag nating cost transition. And of course, ang gagawin ho natin, ganun din yung ituturo natin sa mga magiging partners and customers ho natin dito. We help other household cost transition their shopping from brick-mortar malls to the opulence mall. Okay? So as simple as that, yan ho yung ating ginagawa dito sa ating negosyo. Now, let me share with you a little bit of a story. No? Ito ho nga nangyari ho, lalong-lalo na nung panahon ng pandemic. Do you know that ang Opulence Global grew by more than 300% nung panahon ho ng pandemic? Ito ho yung naging solusyon ng maraming mga tao para magkaroon ho sila ng isang negosyo na maaasahan ho nila kahit anumang mangyari sa mundo. Ito ho yung kinapitan at tinawakan ho nila, nakatulong ho sa kanila. So I hope that itong ating ipapakita hong video, meron ho kayong mapulot na inspirasyon at matututunan ho dito. So let's watch this video as we share with you our story here in Opulence Global.
This industry is one of the most powerful industries that will touch people's lives. It gives you passion, love, commitment, relationships, travel, money, wealth, success, everything that you can desire.
I think our biggest attribute above all is our culture. It's a one nation, forever slogan, one team, one dream, to the billion.
You don't have to have experience. It doesn't matter what's your background, your ethnicity, or even your scholarship. In reality, it is a pathway to success that is designed as a system to be able to duplicate.
We're in Beverly Hills, at Montage Hotel. It's the Emmy Luxury Lounge, of course, presented by Ferry.
I had to find something that I could do part-time that had massive income potential.
The main reason why I'm part of Opulence Global is because of my son. I wanted to spend more time with him. I wanted to take him to school, pick him up from school, take him to the soccer game, but I definitely couldn't do that with my previous job.
I would tell the person, right, if I can do it, you can do it too. All you need to do is follow the system and be coachable.
I was looking for an opportunity that I can actually be able to work or expand my business beyond the borders of my own country without traveling.
Started doing this full-time since January 1st, 2009. And my 10th month, I hit $27,000. 27 months, my first million. Made several $1 million since.
What I achieve in this industry is the personal growth.
The one thing that I heard about this business that really appealed to me was that you can out-earn the people above you. You know, that really stuck to me because in a corporate world, you don't out-earn your manager, right?
We have a proven track record system. All you have to do is learn how to use it. We have the best training, we have the tools, 24-hour support.
I think MLM is the most important method of distribution. It's the last chance of the average person to do something extraordinary. I think it's absolutely important that such an amazing industry would have proper training. And the Forensic Networker simplifies things down to some basic business principles that's currently missing in the MLM training sessions.
So the vision of the company is not just the expansion of our business, but the growth of the people within the company.
If I have to sum it up all in one word for Opulence Global, it would be freedom.
Be freedom.
Time freedom. Freedom.
Total freedom.
The one
is revolutionary.
It really just has changed my life.
Opulence is an opportunity of a lifetime.
You guys are next. I don't know which country you're watching this. 204 countries and territories that we ship to. You guys are next.
All right, you guys are next. What a powerful ending, no, dito sa ating video. And you know, this is just a snippet of all the partners that we have, no? Some of the partners that we have here in Opulence Global that has truly achieved, no, yung success when it comes to this business. Nakita nyo ha, iba't ibang countries, iba't ibang nationalities. So it doesn't matter, no, kung saan ka manggagaling, kung saan ka nanggaling at kung saan ka kung taga saang bansa ka, no? Yun ho yung kagandahan dito sa ating negosyo. Meron ho tayong sistema that allows us to build not only sa bansa mo but in more than 200 countries and territories. So if you want to be just like them, no, ma-inspire ho tayo sa kanilang mga stories. The best way for us to get started is nakikita nyo ho dyan. Meron na ho tayo ditong clear paths to success on the Opulence Highway. Ito na ho yung ating different levels of achievement that you can target, no, each and every single month, each and every single year. At ang maganda ho dyan, meron ho tayong sistema para daanan ho lahat ng success highway na yan. Okay? So yan ho yung ating tatalakayan. Paano ka ba, no? Paano ka ba makapagsimula ng isang negosyo na sa panahon ng mga pandemya, inflation, all of these things, meron ho kayong panghahawakan, kakapitan na negosyo, no? So ang gagawin lang ho natin 3 simple steps. One is launch your own e-mall. Yan ho yung ating magiging tindahan. Yan ho yung ating, dyan ho pupunta ngayon yung mga customers mo. And then on top of that, the next thing that you need to do is of course be a product of your own product. Shop your own e-mall. Tangkilikin mo yung sarili mong produkto. Yan ho yung tinatawag nating cost transitioning. And then you keep on sharing yung mga benefits kasi pag ginamit mo yung produkto mo, syempre ma-enjoy mo yung benefits. At yung mga benefits na yan, pwede mong i-share sa ibang mga tao na andyan yung level of conviction mo, na andyan yung belief mo, paniniwala mo na maganda talaga yung produkto mo kasi ikaw mismo nagamit mo siya. And you start sharing it, selling it, no, these products sa e-mall mo in more than 200 countries and territories, and you duplicate. As simple as that, you can start and grow your online business. Okay? And by the way, yung atin hong Opulence e-mall, it includes no, yung e-commerce website ho natin. So again, provided na ho yung inyong website, yung inyong online shop, may kasama rin hong mobile app yan. Kaya kahit saan pwede mo i-monitor no, yung takbo ng negosyo mo. May partner relation support na rin ho yan. Every time your customer calls itong ating mga hotline, meron hong sumasagot. Akala mo may empleyado ka, ha? But these are actually a support system from the company. Meron na rin hong order processing management system, no credit card processing fee, business performance analytics. No? So ibig sabihin na mo-monitor mo yung takbo ng negosyo mo. So hindi lang ho siya basta-basta na website. No? Marami ho siyang features. It's actually a $3 million software. And ang maganda ho dyan, provided na rin ho yung ating e-mall na mga business trainings, all the things that you need to know about the products, about the business, and nakaload na ho dyan, pati yung mga products, promo material ho natin, yung mga tools na ginagamit ho natin. So actually, itong value na 499, napakababa pa ho niyan. Ano? Sabi ko nga ho sa inyo, pag magsisimula kayo ng isang e-commerce platform or e-commerce business, sa website, sa online shop pa lang, gagastos kayo dyan ng 6 figures, no? Mahina na ho yung 6 figures in pesos. So dito, it is provided to you for free. No? As a partner with Opulence Global, yun ho yung maganda dyan. Libre nyo na ho matatanggap ho yan. Itong ating e-mall na yan. No? So yung e-mall ho natin, of course, may iba-iba hong packages tayo dyan. Magdidepende na lang ho kung gaano kadami yung produkto na gusto nyong simulan. So ito ho yung iba't ibang mga e-mall packages ho natin. We have what we call the brand partner. 695 Canadian dollars, but in peso around 26,342 pesos ho yan. Meron ka ng global business, meron ka ng 20% discount. Maganda ho dyan, yung halaga ng products na makukuha nyo dyan, mas higit pa no, dun sa in-invest ninyo. So ito ho yung maganda dyan. Kumbaga pag nag-invest ka, hawak mo kaagad yung produkto mo. So wala kang lugi, wala kang talo dun sa negosyo. Hindi katulad ng ibang negosyo, nag-invest ka, risk yan kasi matatanggap mo lang a percentage of what you invested. Dito hindi, more than what you invest, yung makukuha mo in terms of products. Kaya nga sabi ko, wala kang talo dito kasi miski hindi mo ibenta yung produkto mo, gamitin mo, panalo ka. Lalong-lalo na kung pangkalusugan yung binili mo, di ba? And then pag reorder mo sa brand partner, may 20% discount ka. Pero mas maganda tong lifestyle advisor. Kasi yung lifestyle advisor, mas maraming produkto, mas marami rin yung benefits mo. So isa na dyan sa mga benefits is of course yung 30% discount mo. So mas mataas yung level of discount mo. Tapos meron ka pa mga freebies na matatanggap dyan. Meron ka pang welcome kit. Yung welcome kit ho, yung mga tools na kakailanganin ho natin sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo natin. Tapos ang products na makukuha nyo ho dyan, imagine ha, sa investment mo na 58,800, yung worth of products that you can get no, is around mga 69,120. So imaginein mo dun sa negosyo mo, nakuha mo yung produkto, pag minarket mo, binenta mo ngayon yung produkto mo, balik yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa. So again, wala kang talo. Tapos pag reorder mo, 30% discount ka pa. Now, maganda ho dito sa Lifestyle Advisor, na-enjoy nyo na ho yung iba't ibang pamamaraan para kumita. Na meron ho kayong 12 ways to make money in this business. So, yun ho yung maganda dyan. Later on, papakita ho namin sa inyo yan. Pero ang pinakamagaganda ho nating package, ito yung pinaka-premium namin. Kumbaga, sabi nga ho natin, ito ho yung top of the line. Kumbaga, sa sasakyan, ito ho yung kumbaga pinaka-highest model. Ayan, yung mga puno ng features, yan. So ito ho yung ating Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Okay? Because on top dun sa Lifestyle Advisor package, kaya siya may plus, makakatanggap pa ho kayo ng Fashion Mystery Box, no, amounting to additional $1,000 worth of products in retail value. Or kung yung health package yung kukuhanin nyo, $500 retail value ho, yung karagdagan na matatanggap nyo dyan. Tapos, ang maganda pa dyan, makukuha mo na kaagad yung pinakamataas na level of discount. Automatic on day 1, may 10% Smart Buy discount ka na. So, kaya magiging suma total, nung magiging discount mo, hindi lang 30%, magiging 37% pa. Tapos magkakaroon ka na ngayon ng access dito sa tinatawag nating variance bonus, wherein etong ating variance bonus gives you an additional opportunity no, to earn up to $50,000. Magkano ba yung $50,000 dito sa Pilipinas? Nasa mga 200,000 pesos din. Ay, hindi lang ano. So tuusin natin yung $50,000 ha. So yung $50,000 mo times natin sa 40 kasi Canadian dollars so yung ina-earn nyo. Imagine niyo additional 2 million just for the variance bonus alone. Okay? So yun yung maganda dyan. And of course, mas marami ho kayong produkto na makukuha dito kasi ang retail value ng mga products na makukuha nyo is around mga 90,000 pesos. pero magkano lang yung investment ko? 75,500. And your business is open in more than 200 countries and territories. So this package basically gives you the maximum earning potential, maximum buying power, and of course, marami mga perks and privileges na may enjoy ho kayo dyan. So ito ho yung ating bestseller, ito ha yung pinaka-premium package ho natin. If you want na mas mabilis hong lumago ang inyong negosyo, then go for the Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Now, how would you like to earn an additional $50,000 per month? Di ba? So sabi nga nila, no, pag nagtatrabaho ka for 40 years, ang mangyayari sa dyan, 40 years ka nagtatrabaho, tapos bibigyan ka lang ng pensyon, dito sa Pilipinas, kakarampot ho yung pensyon na yan. Pero itong negosyo ho natin, kapag ikaw ay nakapag-ipon, nakapagdagdag ka ng kita, $50,000 per month in savings, it makes you a millionaire in 20 years. So mas maikling panahon, pero mas very rewarding ang pwede nyong ma-enjoy ho dito. So ipaliwanag ko lang ho na mabilis itong ating Opulence Infinity Compensation Plan, which is your gateway to opulent lifestyle. Pag sinabi ho nating opulent living, ang ibig sabihin ho ng opulence, the best of the best, abundance in wealth, pero ito ho yung maganda, yung Infinity Compensation Plan. Paano nyo ho ba ma-enjoy yan? So unang-una, many ways to earn money in this business. Unang-una, retail profit. So imagine niyo paano kayo kikita ng 50,000 a month? Simple lang ho, no? When you sell at least no a minimum of $4,000 worth of products, no, galing dun sa online shop ninyo, dun sa $4,000 ho na yon, which is roughly around 160,000 pesos worth of products na mamamarket nyo sa loob ng isang buwan, meron ho kayo dong kita na 37%. No? So imagine niyo ha, 48,000 kaagad ang commission nyo doon. Diba? Malaking tulong ho niyan just by retailing. Meron pa ho tayong wholesale. So yung mga satisfied customers nyo, when they decide to get a package, katulad ng mga pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, may enjoy din nila yung mga benefits na makukuha mo. At ang maganda ho dyan, you have the opportunity to earn up to 350 Canadian dollars in wholesale profits kahit saang parte pa ho ng mundo yan. Okay? So yung iba't ibang packages, may mga wholesale profits ho yan. At yun ho yung kagandahan dito What you're earning is in Canadian dollars. Miski na andito ka sa Pilipinas, imaginein mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-abroad, hindi mo kailangan iwanan yung pamilya mo. Kumikita ka ng Canadian dollars miski na andito ka sa Pilipinas. And when you launch, no, let's say 4 LA Plus in 1 month, magkano kita mo doon sa isa? 350. So yung apat is $1,400. So magkano ho yun sa peso? More or less, nasa mga 56,000 pesos ho yan. So imaginein mo, meron ka ng retail profit 48,000, meron ka pang wholesale profit na 56,000, aba, nagsi-6-figure income ka na yan. Magkano yon? Nasa 104,000 kaagad na income yan. Dalawa pa lang na stream of income ang pinag-uusapan natin siya. And then of course, yung sinasabi ko nga ho kanina, cost transition your essentials. Yun hong mga binibili nyo sa ibang mga supermarket, grocery, Amazon, yan, sa mall. Pagka ho kayo bumibili dyan, anong pakinabang nyo dyan? Diba? Financially, wala. Diba? Ito yung maganda. You get paid to shop with your own opulence luxury mall, no? Known as yung tinatawag ho nating Shop Your Mall. So every time that you purchase into your own e-mall, of course, tinutulungan mo siyempre yung negosyo mo, tinutulungan mo rin yung sarili mo. At pag yan ho yung tinuro natin sa mga tao, no? Yung tinatawag ho nating Smart Buy, ito ho yung program ho natin na kung saan napakarami hong benepisyo nito. Ito hong ating Smart Buy, monthly subscription na pwede ho kayong mamili kahit anong product yung gusto nyo. Every month, dadating na lang ho yan, delivered to your doorstep. And ang maganda pa nga ho dyan, pwede nyo pang ipunin yung shopping credits na yan. Kung yung iba ginagawa para makabili ho sila ng mga fashion items, iniipon muna nila yung shopping credits nila, di ba? Para mabili yung mga gusto nilang relo, yung mga gusto nilang bag, gusto nilang sapatos, ayan. So when we help other people na ganun din, no? Pag nag-duplicate ho yan, bumibili din yung mga partners yun ng Smart Buy, now you are starting to build your tinatawag nating residual income. So imagine niyo ha, hindi lang yan, nakakatanggap pa kayo ng additional discount pag naka-Smart Buy kayo. So as people are cost transitioning, bili sila ng bili doon sa sarili nilang e-mall, sarili nilang online shop, eto ho yung maganda dyan Lahat ng pine-purchase ng inyong mga customers, ng inyong mga partners through Infinity. Pag sinabi ho nating Infinity, wala hong katapusan yon. Pati yung mga partners nyo, lahat ho kayo magbe-benefit doon. Lahat ho kayo may financial rewards doon. So just 177 opulent shoppers, no? May sarili silang e-mall, ginagamit nila yung produkto, naka-Smart Buy sila. Alam niyo, meron ho kayong around $1,240. team commissions. Okay, yan ho yung maganda dito. Miski hindi na ikaw yung nagbenta doon, basta may bumili doon sa email, doon sa organization mo through Infinity, meron kang tinatawag doon na um, team commissions. So additional naman yun na 49,600 pesos. 177 lang ho na Opulent Shoppers yun. So pag pinagpatong-patong mo na, magkano na lahat yun? Nasa 153,000 na yun, di ba? So those are the three essential ways to make money in this business. So ito ho yung magbibigay sa atin ng financial freedom. When we have that system in place, you can earn up to 8.5% on your entire organization to infinity. You can earn up to 60,000 Canadian dollars per week. Ganito ho kalaki itong negosyo na ito. $60,000 per week, that's around 2.4 million every week from all the sales and purchases in your entire organization. Okay, galing ho yan sa mga emails na na-launch, yung mga product purchases, at saka yung mga smart buy purchases ng inyong organization through Infinity. So that's how big this business is. And on top of that, meron pa ho tayong mga other perks and privileges. Ito hong MGRS, which we call itong Monthly Global Revenue Sharing, Profit Sharing ho yan. So hindi ka lang kumikita dun sa sarili mong organization, nagkakaroon ka pa ng share dun sa global sales. Plus yung variance bonus. Sabi ko nga ho sa inyo kanina, pag LA plus ka, eto na, na-enjoy mo na lahat ng mga purchases, no? ng lahat ng mga LA plus dun sa entire organization mo, additional $50,000 per month, potential monthly income mo yan. And then on top of that, commission boost. Ito, kaladagdag lang nito ha. Out of the sales ng Divine mo, nagkakaroon ka pa ng additional earning potential up to $5,000 per week. So on top of that, meron pa ho tayong tinatawag na Opulent Club. So yung Opulent Club, andyan ho yung mga 6-tier car club program natin. Ibig sabihin, the company can even pay for your own car. Even yung mga vacations ho natin, luxury gifts, di ba? Leadership Summit, exotic vacation. So all of these things is a part ng mga benefits na pwede nyo ho matanggap as we do this business, as we grow our business, and as we help other people grow their business as well. So the beauty about this is you can be in business for yourself but not by yourself. Hindi nyo ho mag-isa gagawin itong negosyo na ito. So miski wala ho kayong alam, wala ho kayong karanasan, wala ho kayong background sa pag-set up ng sarili nyong negosyo, don't worry about it because dito meron ho kaming system that helps you na maintindihan at mapalaki ho yung negosyo ninyo. We call it the My5 support. Ito ho yung mga taong nauna na sa inyo na marunong na ho sa pagdinegosyo. Sila ho yung magtuturo, magme-mentor, magko-coach sa atin. And then meron din ho tayong mga live trainings and webinars na pwede nyong attendan. So pwede nyo ho yung panoorin, ulit-ulitin. And meron din ho tayong support groups on social media and messenger apps na pwede nyo hong pagtanungan. Ayan. Yan ho yung maganda dito. May support system ka sa business. May mentorship program. Okay? And then on top of that, of course, ang kailangan na ho natin gawin is to get started. Ito ho yung mga email packages natin ulit, yung summary ho natin. Again, ang difference ho niyan, makikita ho natin dito sa ating table. But at least, ang makita ho natin dito, the higher the package, the larger the benefits. The faster that you can grow in this business. And if you want to launch now, you can see this QR code. Pwede nyo itapat yung inyong phone dyan. And then scan nyo ho yung QR code na yan. Immediately, pupunta na ho kayo dun sa launch page ho natin dyan. You can get started in this business immediately right now. And the moment that you start this business, it is already open in more than 200 countries and territories. Okay? So ano ho ba yung napusuan nyo? Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga produkto. Is it the health? Is it the oral health? Ito ho bang ating mga beauty, anti-aging skincare products? Ito ho bang ating hair care, personal care, designer fashion lines? So let us know, so that we can at least assist you because the beauty about our packages is that you have the freedom to choose any product of your choice. Freedom to choose. Hindi kayo limitado sa mga produkto na gusto nyong simulan. So ano ho nagbibigay sa inyo ng interest dyan, let us know, ask the person who invited you here para mabigyan ho kayo ng karagdagang kaalaman. Or if there are any questions that you would like to ask, please feel free to raise your questions right now. And as a special treat sa lahat ng ating mga bagong guests dito sa ating call, meron ho kaming special offer po para sa inyo. Meron ho kaming tinatawag na VIP Shopper. Yung VIP Shopper, pwede ho kayo magkaroon ng sarili nyong account for free and doon nyo ho ma-access lahat ng mga products that we have shared with you today. Now, the good thing is, special promo ito sa lahat ng ating mga VIP shoppers. when you spend at least a minimum of $200, no, by shopping dun sa ating e-mall, makakatanggap ho kayo ng $100 discount. Okay, minimum $200 worth of purchases, less $100 ang babayaran ho ninyo. Aba, napakalaki yung discount niyan, ha? And you will also earn Opulence points on all your future shopping as a VIP shopper to spend on free products. So contact now your Opulence partner na nag-invite ho sa inyo to set up your VIP account right now. So that being said, nako, maraming salamat ho sa lahat ng ating mga tagapakinig ngayong gabing ito. And we just like to say welcome home, no? If you're looking for an opportunity that can help you, especially in these challenging times, ito ho yung maaring maging solusyon nyo na ho dito sa problema ho na yan. And ang maganda ho dito, we have a proven track record as a company. We have amazing, unique, phenomenal, effective products available. And we have a system that will allow you, no, to grow in your business. Miski wala ka pang experience, wala ka pang karanasan, a system in place na susundan mo na lang eh. Yun ho yung maganda dyan. At ang maganda dyan, ready-made na yung business mo, a business that expands to more than 200 countries and territories. And ang pinakamaganda ho dito, an opportunity that can help you achieve generational wealth. Pwede nyong ipamana sa mga susunod na henerasyon. So wag na ho kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Start right now. Because according to Mark Twain, the key to getting ahead is getting started. Kung gusto daw ho nating makausad ng mabilis sa ating buhay, kailangan magsimula ho tayo. Okay? And this is a very viable opportunity that you can get started right here, right now. If you have any questions, get back to the person that invited you to this call. And of course, with that QR code that you are seeing on your screen right now, you can scan that code and let's start. Let's start your journey as a partner with Opulence Global, and let's help each other achieve yung tinatawag nating opulent living, the best of the best, abundance in wealth. Okay? And our culture here is no partner left behind. Our global leaders and mentors are here to support you every step of the way worldwide. All right? All right. So that being said, kung may mga questions so kayo dyan, we'll address this later. But for the meantime, I'm gonna have to stop this recording so that at least we can post it doon sa YouTube and you can share these videos, no, to the people that you know. Again, hindi lang ho kayo limited doon sa lugar ninyo. You can basically share this opportunity to anyone you know all around the world. That's the beauty that we have here in Opulence Global. That being said, thank you to each and everyone. God bless, and to the billion. See you. Thank you so much, everyone.